Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling CPU virtualization and IMU in BIOS so the hypervisor can access hardware directly. Once done, pick a hypervisor like Proxmox or KVM and download the Windows or Linux gaming ISO plus Vertio drivers for performance. Make sure you identify your GPU PCI ID and reserve a dedicated PCIe slot if you plan pass-through. This prevents resource conflicts. Finally, prepare a fast NVMe or SSD image and decide on vCPU and RAM allocations before creating the VM. You install the hypervisor and create a VM using UEFI/OVM firmware for better GPU compatibility. Next, attach the guest ISO and Vertio driver ISO so the installer sees fast storage and networking. Configure huge images and CPU pinning to reduce latency. Assign isolated cores for real-time performance. For pass-through, bind the GPU and its USB controller to vFIO after verifying IMU groups to avoid device conflicts. Make sure to set a bridged network and persistent storage format like QCOW2 or RAW. You finish by installing the OS, then install GPU drivers inside the VM and configure launchers such as Steam or Epic. Once drivers are stable, disable memory ballooning, set the guest power plan to high performance, and enable bridged networking or SRIOV for low-latency online play. Test multiple games and monitor GPU/CPU temps and IRQs. If the GPU fails to initialize, a common troubleshooting step is to check kernel vFIO drivers and ACS overrides, reassign devices to correct IMU groups, then reboot and rebind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.